Hey friends, in this video, we're diving into flattening arrays in JavaScript, but with control over how deep you want to go. Instead of completely flattening, you can flatten only a few levels, keeping part of the structure intact. We'll use recursion and a smart array methods to make this happen. Let's see how to do it step by step using a simple and reusable function. Sometimes, we only want to go one or two levels deep when flattening an array. This is useful when working with partially nested data structures that should not be fully unwrapped. We write a custom recursive function that controls how deep it flattens. Here's a visual to show what it looks like in action. This function uses reduce to loop through the array and flatten items as needed. If the value is an array and depth is greater than 1, we call flatten again, with depth reduced by 1. Otherwise, we add the value as is to the result. This gives us precise control over how deep we want to flatten the array. The call logic relies on reducing the depth at each recursive call. Once the depth reaches 1, the function stops going deeper. If an element is not an array, it is just added to the result. This pattern makes it easy to flatten only to the level you need. These examples show how the function adapts depending on the depth provided. At depth 1, only the first level is flattened. At depth 2, it goes one level deeper, and at depth 3 or more, the array becomes completely flat. Gives you total flexibility when working with complex nested arrays. Flattening arrays is more common than you think, especially when dealing with APIs. You may just want to flatten one level of a category tree or unroll a few levels of your user permissions. With this function, you can normalize the data just the way your application needs. This keeps your code clean and your data structural predictable. And that's a wrap on flattening arrays with custom depth in JavaScript. This approach gives you precise control over how much nesting you want to remove. It is a simple but powerful technique for shaping your data just right. Happy coding, and keep building awesome things with JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.